Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take Two. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can add PPT to Zoom meeting. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Zoom app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, just join a meeting and you'll be in this particular platform. So now what you need to do is you need to go all the way down to these options. From here, go to share and go to advanced, and over here you'll find this option which says PowerPoint as background. Just press on it and then choose the PowerPoint that you want to select, that is PPT. Now it will add PPT to your Zoom meeting like this. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.